Hello, how's everybody doing today? Today we're gonna do something a little different and show you one of my other projects I got going on. Truck I restored several years ago, but ain't never got it finished yet. Got it good enough to drive, but still needs a few little odds and ends. I'm gonna do a cold start on my 71 Chevy pickup. It's got a 355. I'll show you that later. We'll see if she'll fire up. It's been about a month since I've had it started, so let me see if I can find a spot to set the camera. That wasn't too bad. I'll show you what's going on under the hood. It's a little dirty. I ain't cleaned it up since last fall, Labor Day, I guess. Put a wooden bed floor in it. Got to finish it up though. Something I started on probably 3 or 4 months ago and run out of time. But I'll get it before spring. There we go. More to come on this old truck. So, thank you for watching. Have a good day.